Hello everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing a doubt asked by one of our students in the comment section. This is a signals and systems example and a even and odd type of question. If you also have any doubt related to signals and systems or any other concept, please let us know in the comments and we'll try to respond. So the signal that we have is a sine function, sine of omega t plus pi by 3. We have already seen a cos function. This is the similar one for sine. So let's start. X of x of et, that is the even part of the signal, will be x of t plus x of minus t by 2, as you know. And odd one will be x of t minus x of minus t by 2. We already have x of t. We need to find out x of minus t to be able to derive both these parts. So x of minus t will be, you will just substitute minus t where there is plus t, and you will get the signal. So it will be sine of minus omega t plus pi by 2. That is our x of minus t. Now to get the even part, what I've done is taken the 2 in the denominator outside. So it is 1 by 2 multiplied by sine of omega t plus pi by 3 plus sine of minus omega t plus pi by 3. Now if you see this is in the format of sine A plus sine B. So sine A plus sine B, and the formula for sine A plus sine B is 2 sine A plus B by 2 multiplied by cos A minus B by 2. So we will be using that formula and substitute. So it will be 2 sine omega t plus pi by 3 minus omega t plus pi by 3 by 2 multiplied by cos omega t plus pi by 3 plus omega t minus pi by 3, because I've just multiplied it by minus 1 already, divided by 2. In the next step, half and 2 will get cancelled out, and we'll have sine 2 pi by 3, because omega t and omega t will get cancelled, divided by 2 cos 2 omega t by 2. Same concept. In the next step, 2 and 2 will get cancelled in both of the functions. So what will remain with is sine pi by 3 and cos omega not t, or cos omega t. Sine pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. So that is what we will substitute here. Root 3 by 2, and cos omega t will come as it is. So this is our final even part of the signal. So it is root 3 by 2 cos omega t. Now for the odd part, we'll be subtracting instead of adding. So here what we have written is half sine omega t plus pi by 3 minus sine minus omega t plus pi by 3. This is in the you can say format as sine A minus sine B, which is equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 multiplied by sine A minus B by 2. So that is what we'll substitute here. So it will be 2 cos omega t plus pi by 3 minus omega t plus pi by 3 by 2 multiplied by sine omega t plus pi by 3 plus omega t minus pi by 3 by 2. The next step, half and 2 will get cancelled. So it will be cos 2 pi by 3, because omega t gets cancelled. 2 pi by 3 by 2 multiplied by sine 2 omega t by 2. 2 and 2 again gets cancelled. So what we'll have is cos pi by 3 multiplied by sine omega t. Cos pi by 3 is half, and sine omega t will come as it is. So what we have in the final step will be half sine omega t. So this is our odd part. So even part will be root 3 by 2 cos omega t. Odd part will be half sine omega t. If you have any doubt related to this steps or the steps that we have used to solve this question, please let us know in the comments. We'll try to respond. And if you have any other doubts related to electronics engineering, please let us know in the comments and we'll try to respond. Also, for computer science specific questions, you can put the doubts on the Ebenezer tutorials on YouTube, and we'll try to respond with a video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. Thank you.